welcome to my channel, it's Einstein. So today I'll be reacting to a collaboration between Gfriend and American Tourister, and I believe that American Tourister is actually a bag brand, so I think it will be interesting to see how they'll play with that in a music video. The name of the song is Pado, and I have no idea what this means, but let's find out, let's go to Google Translate, because that's our best friend, sometimes Google Translate is the one that we need the most. Pado is actually, what? Okay, I had this in Portuguese, I need to change it to English, but wave, okay, I get it, because they went on vacation and they're at the sea. Got it. Big brain. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Learn a new word today, guys. We did it. See? Because they went on vacation. Oh, they look so cute. Okay. Oh my god, the visuals. Oh my god, guys. They all look beautiful, but you see, this girl right here should stop smiling like this, because some people have fragile hearts, okay? Stop attacking. Like, I don't understand what she's trying to do. She's already my bias. Why is she attacking me like this? Why? Is it really necessary? Oh no. No, it's not. Oh, they're going on a vacation. Okay, so we can see the bags in here, but it's not that in your face. This is so cute. Look at this, they are so cute. This feels like, a School Trilogy music video. It's a good idea to put Gfriend promoting the bags, because they look really cute. Again, Miss... Oh, okay, I didn't notice this before. Okay, also, did you just wink at me, miss? She winked at us. Stop right there doing that. You can't do that. I'm gonna be biased, right, guys? I'm gonna be biased, right? But they have choreography for this. They went to that extent. Queens. Oh my god, she looks so cute. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, this might be my favorite part of the song so far. It's beautiful. And they have an interesting choreography for this as well. Sleeping Beauty. Cute. Okay, so they went with the bags to the beach. Why? Yeah, this feels like a School Trilogy music video. And who tells us that this is not actually part of the School Trilogy? They decided that they, you know, since they had a school break, they went on vacation together. There, I figured it out. Oh my god, her voice sounds so beautiful in here. I mean, is that something new? Not really. Okay, this is a cool idea. Like having them have a choreography with the bags. Mind blowing. Oh, cute. Okay, so we already had here Suwon's iconic walk. The confidence. Oh my god, and they were all learning from her. Damn it. Ooh, this is a cool shot. Yeah, this doesn't really feel like a commercial. Because, you know, they're playing with the bags, but it's still, there's more than just the bags. They are on vacation, having fun. You see? Like, even in here, you can see that there's a bag right here, but they are having fun, they are on vacation. I can do that. Probably the only move. Okay, I can do this as well. Damn it. At least the choreography I can learn. I'm not sure. Both this MV both reminds me of Me Gustas 2 and the Rough music video. Yeah, see, playing with the bags is so cool. This is part of the School Trilogy, guys. Oh, it's already over? Also, excuse me, Mrs. actually. Like, why is the heart like this? It's supposed to be together. Girls, what happened? Oh, and we end with the waves. That's cool. This is a super interesting collab for, you know, a commercial. It's super cool. Having Gfriend, like the music video, like I said, does not feel like a commercial at all, and I think that's what makes it so good. The song itself is good, but the music video is super interesting. This was so cool. So this was it for today, guys. You can expect that next week I'll be having an unboxing video of the Wall Purchase Night album, because right now I've received a notification that it's in Germany, but it will be flying to Portugal on Monday. So I think that I will have it in here, my house, probably on Tuesday. If not on Monday, but I think on Tuesday. So you can expect the unboxing video for like the middle to the end of the week. Even though that, like, if it gets here on Monday, then I'll try to record right away. So yeah, this is it for today, guys. I hope you liked it. Bye! Mwah!